What is going to happen from these different variants of coronavirus? Actually, this is a publicity gimmick, indirectly or directly. Fear is the worst virus in the whole world. The moment you go into fear, the T cells which create your immunity go haywire, they don't know what to do, and they start creating autoimmune disorders that is against yourself. So fear is the worst virus than any variant of any virus. Viruses will be coming every now and then. There is no point in fearing the virus. Every day you are attacked by, say, tens and thousands of viruses, and the worst virus is politicians. They are making fun of us by indirectly dominating us, removing the democracy, putting lockdown, and killing us directly or indirectly more than the virus. Because when businesses stop, when there is no work for the daily wage worker, just imagine how he's going to live. In fact, he's going to die. He'll do suicide. Especially farmers, their produce remains there in the farms only because nobody is going to pick it up during lockdowns, and they have to do suicide. So, what is better? The best thing is let the viruses come and go. Those who are fit will survive. Those who are not fit will die. But that is happening since years. Why be afraid of death? If you are going to die, you will be dying of any cause. Why only corona? And who knows that it is actually corona which killed or some other things which killed, and we blame it on corona. It is fear which killed first. It is tension which killed. It is insecurity which killed. It is the hospital beds which killed because there were no beds, and that fear killed. Then what killed? Insurance killed. The bills are so much, oh, it's better to die. So what is killing is only fearing, tensions, and these dirty politicians and this dirty media which is unnecessarily hyping that. Viruses were there before and after, and they are very clever than us. They keep on changing their structures because humans think that they are the most intelligent. Viruses are more intelligent. They keep on changing their structure. You are not able to even cure the common cold virus. सर्दी सर्दी को ठीक नहीं कर सकते, कॉमन कोल्ड को ठीक नहीं कर सकते, और चले हैं सब वायरसेस का वैक्सीन बनाने. मूर्खता की भी हद होती है. The virus keeps on changing its structures, and nobody can be more intelligent than the virus. The best thing is take the virus out of your head, take the vaccine if you want to take, and keep it optional, not need to do it compulsory, and give side effects to hundreds and thousands of people who may die not because of the virus but the side effects of the things, and the tensions and the fears, and the collective vaccinization where people gather and cause more infections. We are killing by our own fear, and the worst virus in the whole world is only fear, tension, overthinking, overcautiousness. You can't provide us protection on the roads. You are killing us on the roads by not giving proper roads. What about that? And why are you so worried about one virus? You are killing us by not giving good water. You are killing us by the insecticide and pesticides. And why you are complaining the virus? Those insecticides, pesticides, and all those metals which are coming in the water are killing us more than this bloody virus. In fact, we Indians have especially very good immunity against lots of viruses because whenever we test the water is not fit for drinking. And I don't remember many tanks in many societies whether they are really cleaned or not. They are drinking since years together. So many wells, they have never been cleaned, and people are drinking water since years, and still we are surviving. This fear is the worst virus, and the politicians the second, and the media the third virus. And if you read the newspapers and the television, you are killing yourself. So never read them early morning. And newspapers are only good for as a toilet paper. Never read them because they are 100% going to put all this bullshit fear again in your mind. You have to take the booster dose. Again, one more vaccine is coming. Again, one more virus is coming, and you'll die, you know, and you'll die, and you're going to die, and you're going to die. This fear is going to kill you. डर छोड़ो, चिंता छोड़ो, वरना इस डर से और चिंता से पहले मरोगे, वायरस तो बाद में आएगा, और शायद वायरस आपको अटैक भी नहीं करेगा, लेकिन डर से तो पहले ही मर गया।